Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and another quick video. Today I want to talk about why traders never agree on any particular trade setup, strategy or methods. So before we get going, please hit that subscribe button and give the video a nice big thumbs up. So over the past few days, I'm doing a few live streams and really reading the comments of what people are saying in the chat and getting a feeling for what they want to see on trades, and often they don't understand why I'm doing a particular trade or what the entry or the trigger signal would be. And that's totally fine. We don't all have to agree all of the time on any particular trade. And it could be that in a particular stream I'm just doing a trade just to get into a bit of entertainment, just to make sure that we're not sitting there looking at a dull screen for an hour at a time. And sometimes there could be a valid trade going on and I want to get in there and place it as soon as possible. For every market to exist, there needs to be a contradiction of opinions. We need to have buyers and sellers which exist. Otherwise it would just literally skyrocket off and the price would be hitting who knows what, just go off to the moon. So for example, some traders might be trend followers, some might be counter trend, they might be looking for Fibonacci retracement, they might see fib levels that I don't see. People might be looking at different time frames and going for a swing trade as opposed to in and out in 10, 15, 20 minutes. Where I see a particular breakout forming and looking for a continuation pattern, others might just see that as a fade of a resistance level. Often we hear traders talking about, oh yeah, this is where everybody has their stop losses and therefore once the price comes in, it's going to trigger and bounce. We hear people think that they know where banks are moving their money around, and these things are not known. It's very hard to see those. Though we can see things forming on the charts and the money particularly moving around, we don't know that for certain. And these are people's opinions and their beliefs on what's happening in the markets. If trading was so simple and there's only one way of doing it, why would people be writing hundreds of different books and articles on websites all about theory of trading, how to do it, how to make money and how to get rich? There are so many different strategies and techniques that no one should be less important or less valuable than the other one. We should have respect for how people are doing on their own trading. The key factor for me is making sure that whatever strategy you have, whatever you believe in, what your beliefs are trading, is you stick with that. You invest time getting to know it and working with it and really understanding how it's going to work in the long term. We cannot judge a trader by one or two trades we see them doing. It's the long-term goal and the aims we need to look at. It's very easy to post a trade of huge breakout, huge potential, but we don't know what went into that, how many losses I had before that. It's really looking at the bigger picture and making sure that we understand that the strategy works long-term. But what's key, whatever strategy you have, risk management is key. Don't blow your account on day one. Make sure in the long term and you're able to survive all the ups and downs, the highs and the lows. Just make sure the risk management is there and the account is growing on a weekly, monthly, yearly basis. Don't be put off by other people's opinions on your trading style or their beliefs. Ultimately, trading is a personal journey. It's what we do as traders. It's a reflection of how we are and our own personalities. So what one person perceives as a fantastic trade opportunity, it's either too risky or just not how we feel comfortable trading. Just stay true to yourself, stay true to your strategy and your beliefs that you have in the markets. Ultimately, traders are never going to agree. That's why we have buyers and sellers. We have a difference of opinion. But as long as we respect what's going on in the markets, we're all able to profit on good days and cut our losses and reduce those on the bad days. Hope you enjoyed my quick thoughts on this overall topic, and I'll see you again soon. Cheers!